Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use watermark for photos on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's have a look. First, open Camera app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Then tap gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. From camera settings, tap watermark. Turn on watermark. Immediately you will see the preview of the watermark for Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you would like to change this model name, tap edit button beside model name. Now type anything for the model name and tap save. You will see the preview of the custom name. You can add date and time for watermark. Also, you can change font style. You can change alignment of watermark. Now go back and capture any image. In photo gallery, you will see the photo with watermark. So these are the steps to use watermark for photos on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.